Checked.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So it's Keith here again at Coding Blind Tech. So this is our Slack Accessibility Wednesdays. So in this video for Wednesday on our Slack Accessibility series, we are going to look at how to upload and download files in Slack. So this is video number 3. And in the last video, we learned how to create a new Slack user and download the desktop client onto our Windows machine for Slack. So, alrighty, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to jump right into the video. So, we're going to open up Slack. We're going to be using NVDA Screen Reader,
Start window.
Windows key, and type Slack.
S-
All right, so we'll let that open. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button so that helps out the channel. Also, if you are new here and you enjoy these types of videos, please feel free to subscribe so that helps the channel as well. All right, so let's see if we've got this open.
Explorer.
Seems
Videos.
to be mixed
Videos.
up.
Left bracket YT dash.
All right,
Oh,
hang on one
Jira dash coding blind.
second.
Left bracket YT dash. Videos row. OBS 29.
Oh, I see what it's doing. So my computer's been giving me a little bit of lag. So let's hit this. Let's try this again.
Slack. Slack comma.
All right, so we should be opening up now.
Task switch.
I did just
Tasks.
restart, so that might be why
Left
we're
bracket Y.
getting a little
OBS
bit of
29.
the.
Videos row. Jira dash. Left bracket YT. Jira dash coding blind.
Here we go. All right, so we've got Slack open now. So in Slack, what you can do is in our navigation, we have our own username. So we can go in and just leave ourselves little notes or messages. So we're actually going to go in there and uh, show the upload and the download. So to get there, I'm going to hold down the shift key. I'm going to press F6.
Jira dash coding blind tech dash Slack. Workspace secondary actions toolbar.
All right, we seem to have passed it. So we're looking for workspace navigation.
Workspace navigation.
There it is. So once we found this, we want to up arrow.
Level 1 recent apps collapsed.
All right, so I want to go to my name.
Level at level 1. Level 2 at Keith B left paren. You right paren.
There we go, at Keith B. And then it tells me in parentheses U. So I'm going to press enter on this.
Channel Keith B.
So this is going to open me up into where I can chat. So it's going to put my focus into the text field so I can type hello and press enter.
Hello.
All right, you heard that. I'm going to up arrow.
Blank. Keith B left paren.
So it bounced me out of forms mode. I'm going to hold down my insert key and press spacebar.
Message.
Puts me back
Keith B
in
button.
my forms mode. So I'm going to press the end key.
Level 1 Keith B dot. Hello at 3:52 p.m.
There
dot.
we go. So put it to the most recent message, which was me saying hello. All right. So in order to upload a file to a friend or a channel, you want to go down to the message field. So I want to press down arrow till I get there.
Composer grouping. Message to Keith B edit
There
multi.
we go. So I'm in the compose field. From here, you want to press tab.
Composer primary actions toolbar.
So you'll hear your primary actions. So from here, we want to press left arrow. So we want to get all the way to the left item.
Record video. Attachments and shortcuts button.
There we go. Attachments and shortcuts. So we want to press enter on this.
Shortcuts. Shortcut.
Now we want to press up arrow because it's the last item in the list.
List. First item in group attach comma. Upload from your computer 8 of 8.
And then we want to press enter on that because it will upload from our
Open dialog.
computer. And then here's your typical dialog screen where we can navigate to the file we want to upload. So typically what I do is I hold down shift and press tab till I hear tree view.
Items view. API dash tree view. OneDrive dash.
Okay, so now I'm kind of like in my file explorer now. And let's say that I want to go to my documents. So we'll go to documents.
Documents left paren. Pin.
All right, so I just type documents, but you can navigate up or down, or you can press D to find that. I'm gonna press enter. Now, what it does is it opens it up in the little task pane below this. So I'm gonna press tab.
Items view list. Amazon Web Services.
So now I kind of have a list of my documents. What I'm gonna do is just pick a file in here to upload.
Today's notes.txt 41 of 41.
So today's notes.txt will do. So I'm gonna press enter on this.
Keith B. Coding Blind Tech Slack. Uploading today's notes.txt. Loading ... Processing uploaded file ... Processing uploaded file ... Complete bang. Message ready to be sent ...
And there you go. So it says message ready to be sent, but let's say we don't want to send it yet.
Keith B.
All I did was press tab there. I'm gonna press shift tab.
Message to Keith B. Edit multi-line.
Now let's say I want to type a message here, so I can just start typing a message. I'm gonna say I have attached
attached
a file.
file.
I'm gonna press enter. All right, so we usually don't get any feedback when we send somebody a message, so I'm going to up arrow twice and then press the end key, and that will put me at the end of the messages, which will show me the most
Today press
recent.
Keith B. I have attached a file ... at 3:55 p.m. with file attachment, today's notes.txt level.
All right, and there you hear, that's how you would upload a file. Now, to download this file, I'm just going to, to show you how to download, I'm going to download this file that I just uploaded, but you definitely want to continue watching till the end of the video now, because when we download this file, there's a little trick, or not really a trick, but it can cause you some trouble if you don't close the download screen. So in order to download this file, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this message is focused. So I'm going to up arrow and then down arrow again.
Keith B. I have attached a file ... at 3.
Okay, so we know it's focused. I'm going to hold down the insert key and press spacebar to get out of forms mode. And I'm going to down arrow.
I have attached a file ...
twice.
Today's notes.txt.
And we see today's notes.txt. I'm going to down arrow again a third time.
Button expanded toggle file.
A fourth time.
1/01/24/2020.
So then it's going to kind of show us that file. So I'm going to up arrow twice.
Button expanded toggle file. Today's notes.txt.
And on today's notes.txt, it doesn't tell us that we can click this, but I'm going to press enter.
I have attached a file ...
And there's a way you can download this. So I'm going to, from the actual message, I'm going to press tab.
Today at 3:55. Toggle file button expanded. Today's notes.txt undefined grouping. Click to expand inline left paren, 7 lines right paren, button collapsed.
So I can expand it inline.
Right paren, button collapsed down low.
And let me
click
go
to expand.
back up.
Right paren, button collapsed down low.
All right, so it says collapse, but see, here's the problem. It doesn't tell you that it out loud completely that we're on the download button. So
click to expand inline left paren, 7 lines right paren, button collapsed. Download link.
There we go. I see. Okay. So I'm going to take you back through this. What we're going to do is
composer grouping.
I pressed escape and it put me back in the compose field where the attachment is at. So I'm going to up arrow twice.
Blank. Keith B.
And I'm going to press end.
Keith B. I have attached a file ... at 3:55.
Now it puts me back on the message with the file. From here, I'm just going to press tab.
Message. Today at
I'm going to press tab again.
Toggle file button.
And a third time.
Today's notes.txt.
And a fourth time.
Download link.
And then you land on the download link. So we're going to press enter on this.
Today's notes.txt plain text pause cancel. Today's notes.txt undefined pause cancel close. Recent downloads dial.
All right, so it should have downloaded to your downloads folder, but right here, in order to close this without causing you any problems, in order to continue to type and send messages and read messages, there's a close button, but it's not very defined on its location. So let me show you. I'm going to down arrow one time.
Button today's notes.txt undefined open containing folder close.
All right, if you hear, listen to this line again.
Button today's notes.txt undefined open containing folder close.
you hear close at the very end. So that doesn't actually have a button though. We're going to press the end key
E.
and it puts me on the E of close. So right here, I can actually press enter
Coding blind text.
and it closes it for me. Now let me show you as proof that that file downloaded. So I'm going to hold down the Windows key and press R.
Run dialog.
This pulls up my Windows run. I can type, and you as well in Windows can type
Select.
downloads. Press
Fold.
enter.
Downloads.
It will open
Items
your
view list.
downloads folder.
Today grouping expanded. Today's notes.txt not.
And you can hear today I downloaded today's notes.txt. Alrighty, so that concludes our video for our Wednesday Slack accessibility. This video was to show you how to upload and download a file. You can also do zip files as well. And you can do this inside of not only messages to yourself, messages to friends, coworkers. You can also do this in Slack channels as well. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next Slack Accessibility Wednesday video. Have a great day.
Left bracket white. Keith B. OBS 2.